Okay, Norm. I finally got the heads off, and it's well oiled, plus I oiled it more. But it's really stiff still. I can just barely roll it over using, a hand on this one and with a glove on and this one. And I can just still barely turn it over. If I try to turn it over now, I can just barely make it move with one hand. Anyway, that's better than it was. The problem I see is this block here rotates on its own. I can't move it back now. I have to pair of pliers to get it. Anyway, it is not fixed to this bar here. This one is, and it moves the whole shaft over to this one, but this one isn't doing anything. It's like an idler. So I'm not sure if that's the way it's supposed to be or what, but it seems like that fixture should be mounted to this bar solidly. And I don't see any sign of solder in there, either on this one. So, as well as the lever here. It just rotates in there, inside of that one space. So I've loosened the crankshaft bolts, here and over here, and they're not tight. That's not what's keeping it from moving. I took out there's 3 of these oilers, and I've loosened all these nuts to see if that's where the tightness is, and that's not it either, because it's all still loose right now. Even the middle one, I've taken that part out, and I've taken this so-called oiler out of here and loosened all these nuts. So I don't know why it's so stiff, but I'm going to put it back together later and see if it'll run on air. It might, so who knows. I've committed a whole day to working on it, so I'm trying. I'll check back with you later if I come up with something. I got that pipe bent back up a little bit, but it's not quite level yet. Let's see what else. That's about it, I guess. I'll talk to you later.